How to log in into MyWisely account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into MyWisely account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up a browser of your choice, and here in the search bar there you have to type in mywisely.com and then you land on the official website. Now to log in, head over to this top section. On this interface there is login option. There you have to click on login button. After that you will be taken into next page. Again there click on login. Now you will be taken into login prompt. Now in the login prompt you will have a text field in order to enter your username and password. Make sure to enter your correct login credential, and once you enter your correct login credential, there you'll have an option to sign in. Click on login and you'll be logged in into your account. So that's how you can log in into MyWisely account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.